Minini say this country, your refugee board. Oh, Jamaica say.
Yeah.
The refugee board no kwame. Omo na house say omo take law no fan show mo ankasa nsem na prekope omo kwa omo so mkutu nkofo kwame insida. Menye sure so be sad no. And then say your refugee law of 1992 na kwame. Sa refugee law of 1992 no. International law a cover a state member bia woji refugee edutum. Enti a law no cheche kwan a ye treaty refugees. Kwan a wo refugee na se okotena obi krom a kwan a fasa obekra wo ho so de bi ti. Ene kwan a se opese wo declare obi se sa bre we de onye refugee dem a wo de fa so. Ene kwan a opese ugu sa refugee camp na kwame eno so wo de fa so. Jamaica na watch say enti that law no this country now the Dan Kwakufuado a human right lawyer we preach rule of law kwame ontimi fam bra enhye nsem prekope na okoya so okwakugu budumbura ye fe ne say camp dabi na kwamiti unum say yawo refugee camps in this country oko baby to say Ampen refugee camp eno western region a house Ivorian refugees yebekaya tiamwa political instability bi si Cote d'Ivoire no yenya se refugee phobia no omo ba Ghana ye ji omo tena ha ukọ baby ti say eje krom ena fanteta omo ni na your refugees refugee camp e Ghana ha si enya wo Christian Elubu eno so ye wo refugee camp bia eno no Sudan for ene Congo Brazzaville for Rwanda for antokwasi omukrom 1994 omuni na ka hu bi na Chad for omokra de yakeka omabom ena kwame omote eho no na kwame ti sa refugee camps e Ghana ase. Have you heard and that's what say security analyst bi ejina ba bi aka say yenkogu those refugee camps na kwame bibodi no what be that what is here what is say security analyst bi and I said timamuni bi kasa amo waka say yenko Christian refugee camp ye di Sudan Congo Brazzaville Rwanda and Chadians
akogu wo say
yemubu da good what is say a very refugee camp Ampen Ejabone Fanteta what be that I didn't think people are calling for say you dissolve the refugee camp Bujumbura.
What's a Bujumbura? Mo say abonafo be kokoko na nsen ye de hye wo mo.
Yeah, because Kwame
social miscrimes
they have identified say most of the hardcore criminals especially in this region. Because before I
in this region.
Yeah, in this region.
Greater Accra,
and the central region. And before I said about me a good refugee camp, there are a lot of process that you have to go through. Only United Nations, it is our so near confirm. No, I could defend it. The reason why you don't need that camp in your
land.
Okay. Your land. On say abanko ye sadienwa. Refugee for no ma 1990-1991 wa ekunisi Liberia. I am for emigrating at the Bahasin. From 91 to 2001, Kwame Kwame. O calculate is almost 30 years. That's the 30 years. Minimum Kwame me say, Obi or buy no 30 years. They say 60 years. Or ye elder. It will more painful or mumu. How de be at least more na kamomo pass undieno. Your uncophobia come I will bet me fighting against I'm bet me combat crimes and cause your face a Bujumbura camp. Say, Momon coca and bambe send your person, ye tibinity, it didn't go for bomuding, security analyst at radio TV sua, or more fighting air quality young good company, no monte kwame. It's one more casano, or mam warm, now quamity. Say, problem ne say, SSC 2 refugee form. Nini na kahubi to sanitize the system, send your bayer. You say daylight robbery ekoso nipa kunkum you feel say hardcore criminals na hono and it says this national security and the Ghana police service and I say interior ministry no any abina kabom say yenkoyi sa Bujumbura for no efri okwame you good but it wouldn't be enough. Say abino egu Bujumbura camp. Nese yan copy Nigeria for style. Say you be taking census of every foreigner in this country. Na you do to omo level to check them akwam ye di agro.
Sure.
Because say we muna ye tu omo. Do we have say have you made any provision for them say ye be the bibesa ko omukrom and na say your baby esa do omukro. Are the same people.
A question na me baby say. Ye tu omo hefa no befa.
Hefa no
befa. Afekoro question that more shan for man kwa.
Jamaica no watch.
Ye feature no mbede da wo. E ko mbede wo mu. Afi no mbetu ye so sapa.
Good Kwame. How de bi che. Eti we say no ye betimi aye. But eno kwantimi solve security problems in this country Kwame. He? Okoya sia hasia. Vodafone. As that twin tower opposite ya. Okwa asia ha. Kwame bo hu say okada fo bicycle motor bicycle riders. Bebre e wo ho no. Kwame. Chow mu go no. We go and check. We nipa 10 ejina ho a omo ye okada na Kwame. Emu 8 e Nigerians.
Broken.
Emu 8 e Nigerians. To order me calculation be say Debbie. Sorry. 800,000 data na almost say almost involve ewo okada business no. I'm telling you say emu best 500,000 enye Ghanaians.
Foreigners.
They are not Ghanaians. And these people they are here. Are we checking them? We are not saying say they should not come here because the ECOWAS protocol no, if you are citizen of ECOWAS you call any member state. But are we checking them? Say when you go to Nigeria, they are taking census of foreigners or telephone number, baby awati, baby a ubo operator for baby a duma, and they are trying their best to check every foreigner. We are not doing that.
Now your resources to check we.
Kwame.
We are sure.
Kwame, we have enough resources say betimi.
I check
Nigeria to monitor them. I'm telling you, say we have to monitor them. Adani e ka asem wefa sa Nigerians ya. Omo tete kwamu ya. Omo cheche. Ende kwa na ba ku biti. E kwan mu pa me de ho.
Na kan say chere no.
Small and am kwa me de asa na me koka. Okoyo ofiri ho no. Na me bisa me ho say sa Nigerians na omo sese sika no. Nigerians na omo sese sika no. Ebi anyini. Omo free system no.
Omo
Ghana. And the Nigerians no omo dey free omo Fulani for.
Yeah.
The American watch say they are there. Kwame. How do we put check on them? How are we checking these people? And Korea says sikai omo ni na hefa na omo fa. Eti omo says sika na omo kono say adesa na ehunu omo a hefa na omo da. All these things we are not checking it. Eti Mbetidi say abana hyesa ade we say asem Kwame. A good exercise. Si you took Bujumbura for no wia. You make sure say you take census. Na you make sure say foreigner bia or what Ghana bia no. Ya kind.
Me foreign minister ke bisa na say. Enkofo ye tu omo hifa ya boy won say de omo kɔ ana ye omo den omo fa hin.
That another question.
Anya asase ne je no nkwa nya yen yo. So we see ote wono odi abonfo sem odi awuni ade a wuni ba bi ote kora no na wo ye na ba bia say wo kɔ wuni ba bia wo fa afei de wo be de odi boni abede ehu no
and then Kwame
wo hia pa
wo share the banner headline of Chronicle or say don't play with Ghana's security and stability. Kandaba advises journalists Kwame Ghana journalist Omabua security pa yene etie me security expert but me nim babia Kwame areas bi as you good sisia criminality be from crimes be from the American what say this is common sense ade ayaka for the past 5 years and an 8-year-old girl cry e ka bi Kwame papa we kasa asem we say na so sa tena ho no ma enkofo ye sikaduro e wo ye friends TV so a na wan kasa asem we kura na nkeye wodum say enei enkofo mo nam so omo ye sikaduro no si antimi an putu omo to check and I say yan collapse omo aduma na ene na na agrada ni yi o Kwame because agrada no time ye kokochi agrada na e de ba asem no mo kai omo say kasoa boys no a omukodi awuo no ene na yin
agrada na insight wo
onu na omo kasa agrada insight
wo ma oye ye no TV
no
so no
no TV so no ene insight wo ma akoyeti is a threat to the security meboa but that thing is still going on
omo bebo sisi kwa hunya
Jamaica no atase
wo no waye sika wonwona na wo de wo bitini maame wata star the number gu ho national security phone wi so be fa phone akọ so ko ni sika duro na wo ma fa kwa mi chache wo ma
Jamaica no atase yedim say eyo be religion but kwame
that religion we condone no waye asasi so
uko Nigeria ekwan omo fa so mutu Ghanaians omo ready hu say though apart from so no omo retaliate okay apart from so no omo retaliate in those days na abusi abota ya pamo omo koye no apart from that omo say Ghana there's a security political tension in Nigeria it omo pese a foreigner bia ho ebeti that 1.5 million Ghanaians ye deport omo ni na ba Ghana but you know why omo say the foreigners na ba beju omaduma foreigners na aba Nigeria no ama Nigerians pa nan kasa omo nya aduma ne ebi kuta good certificate ebi hard working people ebi wo ho aduma bia Jamaica no atese Nancy Buhari 2019 why member of Nigeria is a member state of ECOWAS or breaking the ECOWAS protocol kwame we are breaking ECOWAS protocol across the border I'm ECOWAS for some best sanction was me found border no close no for security reason and also to make sure say Nigeria economy ni be grow because ye be di bronya enkofo beto mo esese ye to Nigeria for mo ni na security
do fiasam
kwame ene ye de hwehwe mu ni ata na ne foreigners ne control ye how do we grow as a country now can say catch us ye kase Ghana we are not a serious country obi to one man so won tiase kwame we will say it and continue saying it because if we are serious country and the serious country be one more better honum ama ye fere say Nigerians Fulani fo abane nam kwam no mo seseska serious country be one more kwam better honum ama Fulani fo